Hey guys, Hasib here. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys something about white label domains and API domains. I was making some changes in my agency setting where I ran into an issue. It's not letting me save the settings anymore because apparently their DNS records or GoHighLevel's name servers changed. So if I go to agency settings and then go to company, if I try to make any change here, as you can see, it's going to throw me an error saying that couldn't find CNAME record pointing, all this stuff. So basically GoHighLevel has changed their white label domain DNS records. Previously we used to put something, now it's something else. So now this is my white label domain, by the way, crm.homeservicemastery.net. Now if I go to setup instructions, previously it used to be like app.messagesender.com something. Now it's called whitelabel.ludicrous.cloud. So I'll quickly go to my domains DNS zone or DNS record editor. So my domain is homeservicemastery.net, so I need to go to my DNS record zone for this domain. So I'll quickly go there from here. So this is my domain's DNS zone. As you can see, if I go to crm.homeservicemastery.net, I've changed it from app.messagesender.com to whitelabel.ludicrous.cloud. Just changed it, so it needs some time to be fully propagated. So for API domain, what I'll do is I'll just hover over this question mark, and then it says make sure to have a CNAME record pointing to brand.ludicrous.cloud. So I'll quickly copy this too, and then I'll go to my DNS zone. This is my API domain. crm.homeservicemastery.net is my white label domain. link.homeservicemastery.net is my API domain. So I'll just quickly make this change here, and this should take some time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, but it was an already created subdomain or a DNS record, so it may take some more time to be fully propagated. So just let's wait for that. And then finally, after waiting, if we hit update, it should be updated after some time. It may not update now, but anyway, yeah, you get the idea, right? So yeah, okay, it works now. So that's all. This is the change that they brought a few days ago. I think it has to be made across all the agency accounts out there. So yeah, the quicker the better. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.